Notion AI Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our Notion AI Tool Review. Links to the product and relevant resources are provided in the description below, so you can explore further after the video. Let's dive straight into it. Notion AI is an advanced productivity companion integrated into the Notion workspace. Designed for individuals, teams, and organizations, it leverages artificial intelligence to streamline content creation, brainstorming, and task organization directly within your notes and databases. Whether you're a student, a content creator, or a project manager, this tool is crafted to make your workflow smoother and more efficient. The standout feature of Notion AI is its natural language processing capabilities. You can generate summaries, create detailed outlines, and even write drafts for blog posts or emails with just a simple prompt. It's remarkably intuitive. Highlight text, choose Ask AI, and let it work its magic. Another powerful function is its brainstorming capability, where it can generate ideas, lists, or strategies based on vague inputs, acting as a creativity booster when you're stuck. Additionally, it can automate repetitive tasks like sorting information or extracting key points from large blocks of text, saving you time and mental energy. Who is this tool for? Anyone using Notion to manage their tasks, knowledge base, or collaborative projects will benefit. Writers and students find it invaluable for drafting content or clarifying concepts, while team leads and businesses appreciate its ability to organize and optimize workflows seamlessly. The integration with Notion ensures a distraction-free experience, as you don't have to toggle between different apps to get AI assistance. Now, what's the verdict? Notion AI isn't just a gimmick. It's a genuine enhancement for productivity. Its features are practical, reliable, and surprisingly versatile. While it's not perfect for highly technical or niche tasks, its value for general productivity is undeniable. If you're already using Notion, upgrading with AI is a no-brainer. Check it out via the links in the description and take your productivity to the next level. Thanks for watching.